Hey, what's up? This is Jay, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the 3 best ways to build a referral-based business. And this is for real estate agents and property managers, but generally speaking, for any solopreneur that is looking to build their business based on referrals and lower their acquisition cost by not having to chase after new leads. Let's look at it. You already have people who know and trust you. Hopefully they remember you too. And those are people that if you're adding value, they want to refer you. So let's give them the opportunity. So the first, and actually all 3 of these revolve around when they sign an agreement and when they are the happiest. So think about when they sign an agreement, if they sign a new real estate listing contract or a property management agreement. At that time, they're happy. They made the decision that they want to work with you and that they trust you, and they're telling you this, right? So this is the perfect opportunity to set the stage for the rest of your business relationship with them. And you just gently ask them, listen, thank you so much for and this is how it goes. Thank you so much for deciding to work with me. I appreciate your time and your business. I don't take this lightly. I'm going to get to work for you and get your property rented or get your property sold. I'm wondering, who else do you know that is looking to sell or rent out their property so I can help them too? Because the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start reaching out to my network and trying to find a buyer or a tenant for your property. So this is a great opportunity to ask someone for referrals. They had just signed an agreement with you. They basically just told you, look, I trust you, so you should be asking for a referral at that time. Now, the second best time to ask for a referral and to set the expectations of your business relationship is when they receive an offer and when they sign the offer. If they receive an offer that's a lowball offer that that's going to be laughable, then obviously that's not the best time. Hold on, I'm going to go back on that one. The second best time to ask for referrals from people who you've already done business with is when they receive a good offer and when they sign that agreement. So if you're a real estate agent, this is when you have a listing and they got an offer, they've agreed to it, they sign the offer. This is a happy moment for them. Same thing with property managers. If you have a new tenant that just agreed to move in and now they know that their property is filled and they don't have that vacancy, this is a happy moment for them. You need to be taking advantage of that and asking them the question, look, I'm so happy that we could do a great job for you, and we build our business on relationships with people like yourself. So I'm wondering, who do you know that might be looking to rent out their property or sell their property in the near future? So you're asking them for a referral. Now, don't expect that whenever you ask somebody for a referral that you're going to get one. The point is, you're training your clients. You're training them to send you a referral when they think about it, okay? And this is every time that they're happy. And when else are they happy? The third time of closing the deal or the time that the tenant moves in, okay? So that's the third time. The third most advantageous time to ask your new client for referrals is when the deal is closed, or in a property manager's world, when the tenant moves in. Are they happy or not? They just sold their property. This is one of the happiest days of their life. Hopefully they have net proceeds coming to them, or they just got rid of something that was holding them back. Or if you're a property manager, then the tenant is moving in, they don't have any more vacancy, they know that they're going to start generating revenue. And this is important because you've done your job, and hopefully at this point you've done your job well. So the natural question to ask them when everybody's celebrating is, hey, who do you know that we can help? Because this is how we build our business so that we can focus and give such high level service to our clients. These are 3 awesome times to ask for referrals. And if you're not doing it now, these are 3 simple steps. So you can implement them in your business. If you have a team member who you want to start making those calls for you, then, just create a campaign or just a little simple script so that they can hop on the phone and call them. Or ask yourself. This is setting the stage. The rest of the relationship will be much easier asking for referrals because now they already know that you're going to be asking them. Thanks for tuning in.